Welcome to J&J's test video of 9499. This is an 04 Miata with 85,038 miles. It is hit in the rear. Give you a little walk around. It's a little windy today. Front bumper's got a little boop in it. Rear bumper's messed up. Just kind of hit in the back and rolled forward. Recovered black seats. Top's okay-ish. We'll see. That's a replacement. Steering wheel's okay. Console's got some cat prints. Aftermarket head unit. But what everybody wants is the motor. Lower mileage, 85,000. They're getting harder and harder. Harder and harder to find with lower mileage like that. Under 100K is not too bad. There you go. A little blow by. Some of these have higher leak downs when they have lower mileage on them because they get run not a lot and burn everything off. All right, let's give a little quick test drive. It's a 5-speed manual with a 430. I believe it'll be limited slip, but you don't know until you take them apart. There's 3. There's 4. 5. No 6. Alright, check backing up. Yeah. Runs pretty good. Test the window regulator. Door mirrors. Alright. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.